Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. Today we're on day 22 of the 24 days of Christmas Secret Santa swap. And on day 22 I am including this beautiful container. But in the container I have filled it with some little mini flowers that I made, layered up, and added a little center rhinestone or flat back. And then I'm sharing 2 sequin mixes. And this is day 22. Day 22. Thank you for joining me on this little series. Hope you guys have been enjoying yourself. Like the video if you're new here. I hope you consider subscribing. For all my returning subbies, you guys are lovely. I hope you guys are having a Merry Christmas. And until my next video, shakas.